Hey guys, if you missed the Zoom this morning, I need to get my act together. I forgot to record it. I had to redo a bunch of stuff, but it's fine. We're all good. Everything's going well now. I have it set to record automatically, and then I'll upload those. But I'm going to upload this for today. Sorry, my kids are talking in the background. I just wanted to go over really quickly what we did yesterday and then what we're going to do today. So yesterday, I assigned you this article right here, Music and Your Mind, but then I also assigned you an emotional health article a day set. So this, one moment. Hey, Jax. I'm recording right now and I need you to lower your voice. Thank you. Sorry about that. So this article a day set, you're going to go to every single day. So every day of this week, you're going to read an article about emotional health. So like if I were to click on this, which I'll do, and then come to the articles, you can pick from the different articles, like there's all these different things that you can pick from. And then there's a book of knowledge. So you would click articles to read the articles. Okay. And then up here, click on book of knowledge. And in that book of knowledge, you then you're going to just type out just 2 to 3 sentences on something interesting that you read in that article or something that you found like awe-inspiring, thought-provoking, whatever. You're just kind of writing 2 sentences that were interesting to you about what you read. And then the next day you pick a new article and do another book of knowledge, a new article, another book of knowledge. So by the end of this week, you'll have 5 articles read and you'll have 5 books of knowledge that I can go back and read about what you read. Does that make sense? Okay. So then the second thing that you're doing, so that's one thing, and that should only take you about 10 minutes every single day to read the article and fill out the book of knowledge, okay? And then on your other assignment, there is an article and then a question set. So yesterday's, and only about half the class finished this. This one is due tomorrow, so I assigned it Monday, it's due Wednesday, and then I assigned this Music Inside of Us today, and I think I made it due Sunday. Now, I would just go ahead and do it and get it finished, but it's totally up to you. It doesn't have to be done until Sunday. Okay, should have made it Friday, but I wasn't thinking. It's fine. Okay, so if I go to this article and click on it, sorry, didn't mean to show you the class results. Here's the passage. So you'll read this passage and you'll read it, soak it up, figure out, what's going on. And then you'll go to the question set. So up here, where this says question set, you'll click on that. And then these questions deal with that article that you just read. Okay, so these are either directly from the text, there might be some inferencing, there might be lots of different things, it's hard telling. But then down here, one thing I wanted to make sure that I specified was it says the authors state that music can help us memorize information. What evidence in the text supports this statement? Remember that when it asks for evidence from the text, what I want you to do is directly quote the text. So you might give your answer and say, music can help us memorize information, and then you would put a quote from the text. So the author states, or in the article, in paragraph 2, or whatever, and then quotation marks, quote it, and then whatever the article says about helping us memorize information. End the quote, put your punctuation first, in the quote, and then you're done. So you're going to have like 1 to 3 sentences with a quote in there that tells us that it can help us memorize information. I just wanted to make sure that when it says to support with evidence from the text, like it does on 9 and 10, that you are doing that with quotations from the text. Okay, so that's really all for today. Your assignments are uploaded onto Google Classroom, so you can get them from there. And that's all for reading. Enjoy the day. Thanks, guys.